गुरुविष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सर्वे भी सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु माँ कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनतु सह वीर्यं करवावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम तत्सत् हरि ओम तत्सत् हरि ओम तत्सत्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः ओम तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम महादेवी विद्महे दुर्गाय धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः ओम तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम महादेवी विद्महे दुर्गाय धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः ओम तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम महादेवी विद्महे दुर्गाय धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्युर्मोक्षमामृतात्। 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 हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे। न मे पार्थास्ति कर्तव्यं त्रिषु लोकेषु किंचन नान व्याप्तव्यं वर्त एव च कर्मणि। God Sri Krishna says, I don't have any duty to perform because everything you see is me only. But still, people to follow, to make a model to follow, I do work also. I also do work. श्रेयान स्वधर्म विगुण परधर्मात् स्वनुष्ठितात् स्वधर्मे निधनम श्रेय परधर्म भयावह। It is better to die in performing your duties rather escaping from the duties. Swadharma means the work you are destined to do, the duty you have to perform. If you die while performing your duty, it is better. Okay, but what is not your duty? If you just out of fear of your life, if you escape from that, it is not fine. कामंख्यतः कर्मणां सिद्धिं जजन्त यह देवता क्षिप्र हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धि भवति कर्मजा। There are many demigods in this world whom people follow for some worldly happiness. They get it, but I give only perfection and ultimate goal. जय स्पर्शना भोगा दुख जोन एवते अत्यंतवंत कौंतेय नतैषु रमते बुद्ध। Again he says, this worldly happiness may create ultimate sorrow also. So, those people who are wise, those people who know me, actually they don't follow these things. Okay. भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम we have already discussed. Bhastrika pranayam is supposed to increase the warmness in your body. It is started from the right hand side, Surya Nadi. Okay, good for cough, other things, low BP, or like this type of disease can be cured in Bhastrika pranayam. Gives you a light body also. The proportion of inhalation, hold, inside hold, exhalation and outside hold is 1:2:2:1. And while exhalation you have to do it very slow, long and complete exhalation. Now I do in both nostrils, whichever nostril is not running, I raise it. Apana Vayu Mudra, you know there are 5 elements in 5 fingers: fire element, air element, sky element, earth element and water element. Now when you press like this, little finger and thumb finger, this water element dominates the fire element. But when you press the fire element, thumb finger over little finger, the fire element dominates the water element. So what happens when you are feeling cold or you are having any disease related to water, then this is cured. Okay, 20 minutes, 10 minutes can be done a day, 20 minutes a day. But the most important factor is you must press properly so that the nerves related to these fingers can work properly. Okay, now if you have, this is Prithvi Mudra, water, and you are pressing fire element over water and Prithvi globe. Then what happens? Fatness like disease are cured. Okay, regularly you have to do it. So I am doing Apan Vayu Mudra. Apan Vayu Mudra, you must feel the nerves working. Okay, I am dominating, I am making the air element down. Now dominating fire energy over sky and earth energy. Okay, good for left side nerves. Second round, I am doing this. I am on Mulbandh, and while holding on hold, I am using these three bandhs: Jalandhar bandh, Udyan bandh, and Mulbandh. Second round, Bhastrika. Today we do body raising postures. Okay, because we don't have attained perfection in this posture, we do many times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay. This is a kind of this cup muscles. They put pressure for blood circulation, cup muscles, okay. So this is an exercise of cup muscles. Many times you do, you continue it. माइंड ऑन ब्रीदिंग, मूल बंद लगा रहता है. माइंड ऑन हार्ट, again I go to the body lifting postures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Mahamudra. Both legs. शीर्षासन. I would like to practice Utthita Padmasana. So 3 attempts I made. 4th attempt I am able to do. Now I do because I am putting pressure on my arms. So it became a little difficult. Ultimately, somewhat I did. Again 10 times. Now you see I am able to raise my body a little bit further, a little bit up. Okay. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Kandhapidasana. Butterfly is very instrumental, very much instrumental for doing Kandhapidasana. It is helpful to make the Kandhapidasana easy. Because the thigh muscles has to this thigh muscles has to loosen. Om, 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 Om. Again Ustrasana. Om, 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 Om. एक पार्श्व उत्थित पद्मासन. ओम, 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 ओम. ओम, 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 ओम. Again Kandhapidasana. हलासन ओम 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 कर्णपीडासन पंखासन मंडूकासन again 10 times, raising the body. 1. Now I am a little bit more comfortable. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ओम 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 ओके अगेन कंधपीड़ासन